What's up, guys? My name is Leda Fazal. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. It is freaking cold. It is freaking cold because it's fall and I am chilly. I don't know what I was wearing today. My husband even was like, Leda, what the F are you wearing? Like, are you doing a show? And I'm like, yes, it's the Leda Fazal show. What are you talking about? Okay, but I am doing a massive color correction today. She has had some dark color on her hair. She has had red on her hair. The shit you don't want to know when you're doing a blonde, okay? But I did do a test trend on her 2 weeks ago. It came up okay. Obviously her root is a little better because it's virgin, but her ends mid-shaft, boop. So we're doing a CPR color remover. It's very gentle, it's not a bleach. We're gonna let her sit under heat for about 45 minutes. And then we're gonna like just massage it through. You may not see a big difference, but what it does is it makes the lift when I go in with the bleach a whole lot easier, okay? So I'm gonna get started. I gotta go put that on her hair right now. And you're gonna be with me the whole day, okay? We're gonna put extensions in her hair. Like, it's gonna be freaking awesome. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Yeah, even Facebook, Leda Fazal. All right, guys, so this is the CPR. We've got her washed, and I'm going to apply this and massage it through, and then she'll sit for about 45 minutes. It's been sitting for a while now, and we're gonna see. Alrighty, so I have rinsed out the CPR. Now what I'm doing is actually using 𝗵𝗒 and 20 volumes. It's something that I have found works really well because most people are going to be like, DDL is the semi-permanent. But when I use it with CPR and then use the DDL, which is another color remover, it works really nice. So I'm going to do all this before I attempt to lighten her with bleach. I guess that's okay. Right? Nobody really likes it. This is after CPR and DDL. She is definitely lifted the color off, some of it, and now we're gonna go in with highlights and get her to her blonde without frying her hair. That's very important, but let's go. Okay, so now is the time that we are doing her highlights. I am using lightener in 20 volume, and I'm going in with a very teasy, not too teasy, like a little teasy lights, but I'm doing a heavy one because I want to get as much of that reddish color out and lighten it as light as I can without frying her hair, of course. So going in gently. I will never put anybody under heat. Never, ever, ever when I'm using lightener. Even if they have the healthiest hair. I do not put people under heat. A little bit of tease there, so it blends out really nicely. So, I mean, I'm still taking very thin sections and kind of feathering up, but still saturating very well. Definitely getting those ends where it's all those different colors, and we're gonna even it all out here. Making sure that I saturate super, super well, okay? That's why I like to take thin sections, because then I know that the lightener will saturate from the top to the bottom. All right, guys, I have done a full oil, and now what I'm doing, on the little pieces that I did leave out, I am going in and I am just hitting those mid-shaft ends. Okay, these aren't gonna stay on as long. These will be the first foils that I take off, but I also wanted them to be the last foils that I put in because these hairs are already light. I'm just trying to get that red out, okay? She's gonna process, again, no heat. I do not use heat on clients ever, but especially when they are getting a color correction. Let's take a peek. I just finished foiling her, and we're just taking a look here. She's lifting. Pretty good, pretty good. We're gonna let her just kind of just chill for a little and check on her in about 10-15 minutes. Alrighty, we've gotten her as light as we possibly can without damaging her hair. And now I'm gonna put a toner on that's gonna help counteract some of the warmth, give her a nice cooler look. Alrighty, I've rinsed her out. This toner didn't sit very long with her hair extremely short, so just kind of wash it. That's kind of what I do here. But a really big difference from what you just saw to what it looks like now. Yeah. Alrighty, here we are. We've got the desired color that we can get today, and we're gonna go upstairs and look at extensions because she wants long hair. The first part was getting her color right. Now we're gonna go match her extensions. But come check this out. Check out that color. I mean, she had that red. Snip it off her dead ends. I don't want her to have like a super blunt cut when I put the extensions in, so she'll have a better blend. Plus these ends gotta go anyway. I've seen enough. They're done. They're done. You're done. You're done. We're all done.
Not yet.
All right guys, her color is done, and now we have matched her extensions. We are using this one and this one, which are, this is called, if you want to zoom up, this one's called 𝗧𝒢𝒄𝒊𝒂𝒍𝒊𝒔𝒕 online on my website. Y'all remember what her color looks like? Yeah, I do. Let's get started. We're done. It's 7:30. She came in at 10 a.m. and we did, obviously she's not that brassy red anymore. We did her color correction, made her nice and blonde, and then we did 2 rows using the Swan method and 8 wefts total using my hair, which is on my website, tonehairssalon.com, or Swan method hair. And that's where you can find my course if you want to learn. I did not show any of that because I do have a course. If you want to take the course, it is available for you. All right, you want to do a little spinny round? Show off that beautiful hair and beautiful face. Woo! Woo! Yay!
Yes.
Oh, yes, girl. Give it a little shimmy.